Hi guys, so Bounty Killer and Ninja Man said they're not attending Sting this year, and they're supposedly supposed to get honored this year at Sting, and they said they're not touch Sting this year. So me don't know what Isaiah Lang do, but that's what today's commentary is gonna be about. And what make they not got Sting? Bounty, Ninja Man and Bounty are the foundation of Sting. This is serious, real serious. So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions on this story, please keep on watching. Bounty Killer told the Star that he doesn't believe that the Sting organizers, including Isaiah Lang, are being sincere in their move to honor entertainers. It's always great to be honored, but only when it's sincerely done, Bounty Killer said. I know Lang very well, and he doesn't appreciate or honor what we artists has done for him. He added that he believes that all the talks about honoring artists is only a part of Lang's most recent publicity stunt. If they want to do this as a publicity stunt to say that they're honoring me, I will send someone to go collect it. But I ain't even going, because I know these people and they don't respect foundation. They are all about the hype, he said, explaining that if the actions is indeed sincere, the honor is well deserved. Although his words might have stung a few, Bounty Killer stressed that he has no qualms with Lang. Me and Lang don't have anything, we just don't see eye to eye. If him see me and say what's up, I say hi, no problem. We talk, we're not enemies, he said. I get to understand as a youth coming up that these people don't really rate me or honor me. Them man they not too rate nobody. Them man they just rate the sensation of the moment and who them can sell some tickets off of. And that, so those were Bounty Killer's words pertaining to him getting honored at the 2016 staging of Sting this year. So the man literally say him not got Sting because he don't think that it's sincere, and he don't think Isaiah Lang really wants to honor him or honor any artist. As a matter of fact, they just want to sell tickets and they want the show to be as big as it possibly can be. Because if you guys didn't know, the Sting, this will be the last year, 2016 staging of Sting will be the last year that it's held in Jamaica. Sting will be held worldwide now because they're trying to mesh dancehall with different genres of music. So but that's what Bounty Killer is saying. He don't think it's sincere. He just think Isaiah Lang wants to sell some tickets, and they wants the show to be good for people to actually come out and support him. And then Ninja Man also said that he will not be going to Sting either, and he's also somebody else that is supposed to get honored at the 2016 staging of Sting. So Ninja Man also expressed that he has no hard feelings against Lang, but revealed that he would not attend the show to collect any award if he is indeed being honored. If them feel like it's time to honor me, then give thanks, cause it's an honor still. But nobody ever collect the award, he said. Me have enough daughter and son we proud of them father if collect the award, man. Me no have no time for them there's something. And a disrespect, no, me do good enough work, and when me forget honor, nobody never pay me no mind. If me never quarrel, nobody would look for honor me. When asked whether he believes the move by Sting is a publicity stunt, Ninja Man had this to say: I am not in Mr. Lang's frame of mind. I don't know what I don't know what is his real intentions, but all I know, if he's making a move like this, it would be a positive move to bring back Sting to a level that is supposed to be. And if he make a move like this to honor the artists this year, not clashing them, it will be more appropriate show to bring a proper energy to Sting. Other artists that are expected to be honored are Papa San, Lady Saw, Lieutenant Stitchie, Beanie Man, Buju Banton, Vybz Kartel, and Shabba Ranks. And Shabba Ranks was also awarded Order of Distinction for his contribution to music by Andrew Holness this year, actually. And I don't know if it's just me thinking like this or what it is, but I feel like Bounty Killer and Ninja Man kind of feel some type of way because of Shabba Ranks getting the Order of Distinction for his music contribution. Basically, I feel like they feel some type of way because Shabba Ranks not really deal with Jamaica on a level like that anymore. He is more of a US based artist, and if anything, Bounty and Ninja Man kind of feel like said they were the foundation. They were the one that really put dancehall on the map and also brought a lot to the dancehall scenery as far as lyrics, Sting, Beef, this song, stuff like that, and also bring other artists into the dancehall scenery. They also brought a lot of people in, like Vybz Kartel, Spice. Ninja Man was the one that brought Shabba Ranks into the dancehall scene. So if anything, I feel like Ninja Man or Bounty Killer should have been the one that got the Order of Distinction for their music contribution. Even though Shabba Ranks have him Grammy and all these things, I feel like he hasn't contributed that much to the dancehall scenery, and me just feel say Bounty and Ninja should I get the Order of this distinction for music contribution. Me not think Shabba really deserve it, or Shabba not bring nobody in a dancehall. Shabba just love show off basically now, and I didn't know Shabba Ranks as a show off person, but that's what I get from him now as a person. And as far as Bounty Killer thinking it's a publicity stunt, I kind of agree with him because, as you guys know, like a year ago and the year before, Sting didn't really do that well. Because a lot of the acts weren't there. People like Alkaline did not go to Sting, and Alkaline was the one that was hot in dancehall at the time. He didn't go to Sting, so that the Sting thing have been taking like a step back as far as the show is concerned. It's not as big as it used to be. It's not as exciting as it used to be, and I feel like Isaiah Lang is trying to build back that momentum, build back that excitement, because if he's gonna try to transcend Sting into an international field, then he will have to have that push from Jamaica. He will need that momentum, that big push from Jamaica. Say it's the last thing, so he's gonna need that push from Jamaica to actually propel Sting to a worldwide, more international based concert. Or yeah, I feel like he is actually trying, like this is actually a publicity stunt in every sense of the word, honoring like artists like Shabba Ranks and Ninja Man and Bounty Killer. And I feel like what Ninja Man was saying was right when he said, when he did a quarrel and cuss, say he needed to be honored and he needed to get notoriety for his contribution. Nobody was paying him any attention. People just think saying love cuss. People just love things saying love cuss and he love quarrel and all these things. But now that he don't care about getting honored anymore, now is the time that people are trying to honor him, which is kind of like a slap in the face basically. So I agree with Bounty and Ninja as far as not going to Sting. I can see why they wouldn't go to Sting, but on a professional standpoint, I feel like they should actually go get the award, receive the award, be very professional about it. I don't feel like they should send your kids or send somebody to represent them and not go. Even if it's just to go and show your face and get your award and just exit stage left, I feel like that's what they should do, basically. So, to wrap up this video, I feel like Ninja Man and Bounty Killer should actually go to Sting, collect their award, and if they don't want to stay for the whole show, exit stage left, do what you have to do, exit stage left and do what you have to do and be gone. If there's no hard feelings, I don't think that they should just not go and not show up, or I feel like they should actually go. So that's my thoughts and opinions on this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. I'm out of here. Deuce.